What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another video. And basically what y'all saw in the last video I posted of the Starion is it running. So what I haven't been recording is me working on it, and I'm going to tell you guys basically what happened. Alright guys, fast forwarding a couple weeks later. It's April 17th on a Friday, and the car is back together. It runs, it drives. I'm going to show you guys. Alright, it is complete all the way back together. Just have some wire mess right here. I just hooked up a fan real quick just so the car wouldn't overheat. Work. I just had this running to the inside because I didn't have any time to feed it through the firewall and install it. But what I did do is I fixed two coolant leaks that I had. The lower radiator hose was leaking, tightened that up. This hose right here was old, replaced that, which was leaking also. Got new wires for it, a new ignition coil. I think that's, oh yeah. And I replaced injector clip with that one. So as of right now, I can basically turn the car on, which I'll do right now. Show you guys that it runs and drives. But it's not making any boost. Okay, so after I got the car back together and I fixed the leaks that it had, threw some new parts at it that were old, I just started driving around my neighborhood, you know, try to tune it a little more, trying to fix the idle that it had. It's still a little rough idling, but it's way better than when I had it. And boost would come in and out, which was weird. I did mess with the wastegate and I ended up turning it down on accident. So I reversed it, and then it did hit boost like one time, but then after that it wasn't doing anything. So the last time that I did drive it, I took it down the street. I tried to see if it would hit boost. It didn't. Then I came to a stop sign, and then a whole bunch of white misty smoke from the exhaust. And I basically already knew what that was. Boom, guys. And even though I did rebuild this thing, it sucks. But after researching and going online and visiting a website, they did say there's no point of rebuilding those turbos because they're just gonna blow again. So, I mean, I didn't spend a lot of money. It was like, what, 33, 34 bucks for the rebuild kit? It wasn't that bad. I'll take this off real quick and show you guys the damage. And if you guys can see in there at the compressor wheel, that shit is done, son. The dinning on. This shit won't focus. All shredded up. So, I don't know what to do next, guys. I guess we'll just, I don't know, throw the beams in it. Psych. What do we have here? eBay specials all over this workbench. Damn. All right. So what do we have here is an eBay turbo that I bought. I didn't anticipate the turbo blowing, but I did want to upgrade it. So I went ahead and did that. Got the adapter piece that came in 2 days ago. Goes from a DSM TD05 flange to a T3 flange. All the little pieces that come with it, fittings and hoses. Got an eBay blow-off valve. And got the wrong downpipe, but I'm gonna have to cut and weld. I'm gonna take the CRX exhaust muffler, I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna weld it to this just so it can make that fit. And if you guys don't know how the turbo works, I'll give you a little quick tutorial. Got little flakenoids that go in here. Got a bubble flake god goes in here, gets compressed, and out comes a raging flake gods right there. Oh yeah, one thing I did forget, got this on rockauto.com. The fuel pump that's in it now still works. I didn't know if it was weak or not, but like I said, I'm still throwing parts at this car right now. So I just went ahead and bought this just in case the fuel pump is weak or going out. Probably gonna go ahead and replace that. So it is 2 days later, guys. Sunday, and I wasn't able to record anything Saturday because it rained mostly all morning. And after it stopped raining, I had to run out, run some errands, go to my mom's house. So today, we're gonna go ahead and disassemble everything and hopefully get this partially installed today. One flake, two flakes. And voila, all that's out. Got a turbo over here. And as you guys can see, the wheel is destroyed. And the nut's not even on, so I don't even know where the nut went. And there's a lot of shaft play. Alright, so what I'm doing now, I'm just changing the oil. Got that draining right now. And I gotta run to the store, either Ace Hardware or True Value, to find either an adapter piece or a piece like this that goes from this threading and either downsize, because this is not going to work with the feed line, the oil feed line for a turbo. This won't thread into there because it's too small. So I gotta find another one of these or another adapter to plug into here that'll thread into this. It is now Monday, guys, and yesterday, most of the day, I've been driving around trying to find fittings for this oil feed line, the eBay one. So I went to Ace Hardware first. They didn't have anything. Went to AutoZone. They had a very few selection. Went across the street to O'Reilly's. They didn't have anything. So I went to another AutoZone because one of the guys on the group, his name is Isaiah, he has a YouTube channel called Legion Elite Motorsports. If you guys don't know about that, go follow him on his YouTube channel. But he had told me there's a fitting which comes in this pack right here that AutoZone sells that I grabbed, and this works. So now I can go ahead and bolt the turbo up. I'm not going to do that today. Threads into the oil feed line, oil feed area, plate, sandwich. A little tight at the beginning, but I did wrench it down. Oil, eBay. Threads into there. And this is where I'm going to end the video, guys. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one.